One of those retained in the Marcos cabinet is Health Secretary Ted Herbosa, who is now calling on Malacanang to declare a national public health emergency. That's amid a surge in HIV cases nationwide. Here's a story from mobile journalist Yeda Pascual.
Dwin was only 9 years old when he contracted human immunodeficiency virus or HIV after falling prey to sexual abuse. The reality of his health condition only hit him when he was already 14. Now 26 years old, Dwin is on continuous medication.
As I grew up, inuunti-unti nila na matanggap ko yung story na meron ako and matanggap ko yung story about HIV. And ayun po, luckily I am living and breathing with my normal life.
Dwin is just one of more than 150,000 persons living with HIV in the Philippines. There are now treatments available. But what's alarming, according to the Department of Health, is the sudden 500% rise in cases, especially among the youth. Per DOH data, ages of new patients this year range between 15 and 25, while most patients are within 25 to 34 years of age. The youngest by far is a 12-year-old from Palawan, who got the disease from unwarranted, unprotected sex.
It is alarming. No? Any sexual contact with a minor, kahit anong pakikipagtalik sa bata, ay rape.
DOH also notes more than 5,000 of new HIV cases were already recorded during the first 3 months of the year. That's much higher compared to numbers from the same period in 2024 of more than 3,000. Now at least 54 new HIV infections are recorded every day. At the moment, the Philippines has the highest recorded incidence of the disease in the whole Western Pacific region. That's why the DOH has this recommendation to President Bongbong Marcos: declare a national public health emergency for HIV. This is to enhance HIV testing, prevention, and treatment. Because if it can't be done now, the DOH estimates the total number of people living with HIV in the country to balloon to more than 400,000 sooner than later.
Hindi ibig sabihin lockdown, hindi ibig sabihin pandemic. Pag dineclare mo kasi as a public health emergency, nagiging concerted yung effort, nagiging sama-sama at nagfo-forward siya. Kasi ang bilis ng panik eh.
The Health Department is also urging the public to remember the ABCDE of preventing HIV. A for abstinence, B for being faithful, C for condom use, D for avoiding drugs, and E for educating oneself about HIV. Mobile journalist Yeda Pascual, we are One News.